Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Enywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then select Receive on Samsung Galaxy A53 5G and Send on this Samsung smartphone. Over here you need to select No Thanks and close this window. Then tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one file, only for example, like that one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and choose Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!